Welcome to this quick tutorial on using ArcheAI's screen recording feature to analyze content from the internet. Since direct video file links are often no longer supported, we now offer a simple recording method that allows you to capture exactly what you need. This approach also helps you maximize your credits by letting you upload only the portions of content you're truly interested in, so you don't waste credits analyzing irrelevant material. As you know, ArcheAI requires only audio, but much of today's content is delivered in video format. While this example focuses on YouTube, the process works for any platform that includes audio. Step 1. Login. Start by logging into ArcheAI. In this example, we'll use Discord authentication. Step 2. Prepare the audio source. Next, prepare the content you want to analyze. We'll use a YouTube video, a common and familiar platform. In this case, we're using a public domain deposition video from the O.J. Simpson civil trial. We'll begin playback at the 9-minute mark and capture about 35 seconds of content. This screen recording feature supports clips up to 60 minutes long. Once you've selected your start point, pause the video and switch to ArcheAI. Step 3. Record the audio. From the Upload or Record Media screen, choose Record on the right side. You'll now see two options: record from your microphone or record from your system audio. For this tutorial, we'll select System Audio, then click the blue microphone icon to continue. Step 4. Share your tab. A new window will pop up asking what you want to share. We recommend selecting just the browser tab that contains your YouTube video. In this case, we'll select the tab showing the O.J. Simpson video. Important: before clicking Share, make sure the Share tab audio box is checked in the bottom right corner. This ensures ArcheAI captures only the audio from the video, and not your mic or other system sounds. Then click Share. Step 5. Start the playback. You'll return to the selected tab. Click the play icon to begin playback. Recording starts immediately. At the top of your screen, you'll see a sharing indicator confirming that the tab is being captured. You can stop the recording either from this screen or by returning to ArcheAI and clicking the red stop button. Step 6. Stop and save. Once your clip is finished, stop the recording. You'll now have a few options. Preview the recorded clip, download it as a file, or simply name the file. For example, OJ Test File 1. And click Upload. Once the file successfully uploads, you'll see a confirmation message. You'll be returned to the dashboard where the file will either appear in the queue or begin processing immediately, depending on system load. And that's it! You've now captured and uploaded content using ArcheAI's screen recording feature. This method is fast, flexible, and helps you get the most value out of your analysis credits. Thanks for watching!